Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to log into Google Drive on your desktop. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up the Google Chrome, and once you land on this interface, now at the upper right corner of this interface, next to this search labs icon, you will get dotted icon, that is Google Apps. Click on there. A dialog box will pop up. From there, click on Drive. Here you will land on this interface. Now if you have an account that you have already signed in, select the account, but if that's not your account, then click on Use Another Account. Now on this sign in page, enter your email. After that, click on Next. Now enter your password. Once you're done with that, click on Next. If you have two-step verification set up on your device, you have to perform that verification. Here I will get a notification on my mobile, and if I accept that, from there I will be logged into my Google Drive account. Once you are verified, you will be logged into your account, and that's how you can log into Google Drive. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.